If you want to learn how to manifest more money now, this video is for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Tera Maxwell, founder of the Affluence Codes for high achievers and under earners. My YouTube channel is all about quantum creation, affluence redefined, and soul evolution. If you're new, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to join our community, we are here to evolve and be free. So what I'm going to share with you today, this technique, is a way to tip the scale in your favor to start manifesting the abundance. The beautiful thing is that we have maybe 60,000 thoughts going on at any time, and most of them are negative. Changing your reality and shifting worlds is as simple as changing the channels on a radio dial. You want to have a different experience, you change the frequency, you change the dial. So it's not about being perfect and just being peace and love. It's literally, if you had even 51% more positive than the negative, you start to tip the balance in your favor. So this technique will help you. So the first thing that you want to do is to get clear on what it is that you want to create. What are you calling in? And it's not, we're talking about money, but when you think whether it's 10,000 or 100,000 or $1 million, like in this immediate future, you want to call in something that is to stretch, but also your body doesn't shut down because it seems too unbelievable. Let's just say it's another 10,000 in this next week or tomorrow, whatever that is for you. The second thing is, how will you feel? If that money that came in, how would it make you feel? Would it be relief? Would it feel peace? Would you be excited? So you want to attach that experience with a specific feeling, something that you can really feel. The third part of it is, what is the scene? Like, how will you interact in this new reality? Are there loved ones? Would you be talking to them? Would you be taking a vacation, going out to eat, or walking on the beach? You want to have a kind of a screenshot, a little movie screen that's attached to what you're creating. A lot of times when we're trying to manifest, we're doing it from such an intellectual level and from a place of attachment. And that literally repels the very thing that we want. When you're lying down to sleep, your head's on the pillow, I invite you to invoke, to call up a feeling of gratitude, something that's in the past that you already believe. For me, it's remembering the birth of my first child, just the wonder and the miracle of that newborn. So whatever that feeling it is for you, imagine it, and I invite you to right now call up that emotion. And when you're going to sleep, so you go first to that feeling that was from the past, that gratitude, and then switch it to the vision that you're calling in, to fantasize. Just like, remember when we were like 6 years old and you would play house and build sandcastles and play? We're just playing. We're here to create. We're here to play. Go through that whole scene, maybe 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes before you fall asleep. And this is important because if you spend that time before you fall asleep imagining and creating, and you can even start creating your day tomorrow. Imagine yourself having the ideal day, waking up in the morning, going through the motions, maybe getting an amazing phone call, having a business meeting go really well at work, or having more harmony with yours or a loved one. Spend time creating. Most of humanity, they're not spending time as creators. We're either reactors or creators. So if you spend that good 3 to 5 minutes before you fall asleep as a creator, you are way above. You're stepping into who you are as a divine being. So that is my invitation and challenge to you. Invitation and challenge to you to manifest more money now. If you have any trouble with this, practice this every night for the next 30 days. Go ahead and leave comments, tell me, share with me the results. I'd love to hear from you. Sometimes we have unconscious blocks and patterns. And if you check the link out in the description, there's a free activation, Affluence Codes 1.1, and it'll help you deprogram the shame and the guilt around money that keeps most of humanity enslaved. This is a practice that I have done myself. I manifested a dream home in Costa Rica. I remember there was a time when I was in a place of a lot of scarcity, made a lot of money, but I've also made a mess with money in the past. I practiced this technique. I literally manifested $100,000. Go ahead and try it. Leave comments below. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know so I could create more content. And like and subscribe to join our community, because we are here to evolve and be free.